Hello traders, Sid here with another trade recap, and in this video I'm going to talk about the trades that I took on my Tdameritrade main account. And this in this video I'm going to talk about what I did throughout the week, and this is going to be like a red week recap, I would say, because I took some heavy losses during this week, during the last week, considering today is the start of a new week. It's 7th of November, and in the last week was very horrible. After uh, Monday's profitable trade, Tuesday, as you can see here, Tuesday was start initially it started with a winning trade. So I shorted Chegg, uh, because they recently announced their earning, and as COVID pandemic is almost at the end, people have started going back to the school, and online education is not that significant right now, is because people are going back to the school and everything. So Chegg missed their earning and they dropped massively. So I took advantage of that. I shorted 1,600 shares and I earned $274.10. After that, I took a small short trade on Tesla and I was up by $9.30. So overall, it was a good day. And to be honest, I should have stopped over there. Now, why? Let me explain you. So Amazon, I took after that I took a short trades, two trades of 10 shares on Amazon, and it was not a winning trade. So this was the first indicator that I missed. If once you in the trading, if you had losses in the first trade or second trades, it's better to walk away from it, because it could be an indicator that bigger losses are on the way. On car, so let's see the details of the chart. So car was the stock that wrecked my account and that initiated that trade week for me. So initially, when the car was squeezing up higher and higher, I missed this entire parabolic move. And if you see here, this chart can show you where I bought and where I sold. So I bought on the way up and I sold 10 shares of it, and I was up over in that trade by 20 or some $10-15, I don't know, like $4-5 or something like that. And then it went into the halt, and on the way down, when it reached to this 480 level, I bought 10 shares of it, and with just 10 shares, it went further down and it halted, and then it opened even lower, and that basically initiated my red week. So here I lost more than $400, because if you see here, it's 480 and it dropped by 50 points, I believe, and that was like a big drop, and I lost almost like $575.30. So that was the second indicator that I should have stopped over there, but I completely ignored that, because what happened in October is, like, I had this bigger losses and I managed to recover those bigger losses with the same stock on the same day. So I thought, like, okay, um, if this stock ran massively, like by that much amount, from $170 to $500, then it might give me that give me that opportunity. If I go in with a big size, I can recover all my losses and go green again. And that was my biggest mistake, because after that point, car never recovered, and it was consolidating constantly under between 350 to 400 level, and I took multiple trades with 10 shares, and with the frustration I took like a bigger positions with 100 shares and lost $307, lost $296, and it was completely a wreck. Also, like at this on the same time BKKT was moving, I took heavy position over there, lost another $252 over there, and Bed Bath and Beyond dropped massively during after hours, because their earnings, no, actually opposite of that happened. Bed Bath and Beyond went up high, and I shorted that in after hours, and I made $108 over there. And in the next trade I gave it back all back uh, by going heavy on it. So I lost another $236, then another lost another $130 over there. So overall I lost $1,413.41 in 11 trades on Tuesday. So that's the story of a Tuesday. Now let's move on to the Wednesday and see what exactly happens over there. Moving on to November 3rd, that is the next day after having a bigger losses, and I took even bigger losses on apps. So app Digital Turbine, they missed their earning. I shorted 500 shares initially, got losses over there. Again 500 lost over there, again 500 lost over there. I didn't do a great job of shorting this stock, and I lost quite significant amount over there, and that picture was not good at all. So I lost 1500 over there. Again took one more trade, tried to recover my losses, lost another $121 over there. Then again tried to short Lyft apps again, same story here again. Fat BB was squeezing up higher, so tried to take a trade over there, lost another $400. So overall I lost $2,384.39. So that was like a breaking point for me, but it didn't stop over there, so let's keep on going. So on Thursday I took a trade on Sawa, and Sawa did exactly did the same thing like what happened with me with cars. So Sawa squeezed up higher, and that was a short squeeze, and basically there was a catalyst, and the catalyst was there was bad news around Sawa, that they tampered with their data and got FDA approval or something like that. And recent news came out that that was a false, that didn't happen, or the investigator couldn't find any tampering with the data. So their stock shoot up higher, and as you can see here, I bought high and then sold. I guess it was one trade where I was green. I don't even remember. I didn't even take a look at it after having the bad day. Nvidia was another like bad trading example. I was chasing Nvidia very hard to get some profit to recover all this 400 losses, as Nvidia was squeezing up higher and higher. And I want to show you something, that what happened exactly with Nvidia. So Nvidia, during this consolidation period I jumped in, and after that it squeezed and even went to the 310 level, and I should not have sold any of my position because Nvidia was bullish, and it showed it was kind of like a prominent that it's going to break that $300 level and move up even higher. And if I could have hold just 100 shares, I could have recovered some of my losses, and with a significant amount, but that did not happen. That was, so I lost another $400 over there. Airbnb, again the same thing, dropped. I was expecting a drop on earning because Airbnb overall sentiment was kind of neutral towards or little bit bearish. So based on that, I took a trade, tried to short the stock at the wrong time, and ended up losing $440 over there. So took another big loss over there of 1,271, and these three losses, I lost all my gains on October over there, lost another $2,000 over here, $1,000 over here. So it was completely like it was a stressful situation. And all these 3 days I had red day because I was chasing or trying to recover my losses, and I was not even paying attention to any technical indicators, volume profile, or anything. I was just got blinded, and I was just solely laser focused on recovering my losses, and that wrecked my account pretty badly on Friday. And as you remember, on Tuesday I was green initially, then went up red. Wednesday was red day, that's okay. On Thursday as well, I was a little bit red. So, and I chased a tail, I chased one stock a lot without without understanding or taking a pause to understand like what exactly I'm doing and why I'm doing. I did not focus on that. On Friday, this is the other case, like I was up $120 because I was holding 10 call spread contracts with Nvidia, and I lost money over there. Oh my god, that was a disaster. From now on, I just want to focus on the base hits and just focusing on a good setup instead of trying to recoup losses and everything. So that will be my goal for rest of this month. So the big takeaway for you guys is like, if you had losses, just accept it and move forward. Don't try to recover all the losses that you had. You may get opportunity, you may be lucky, but more often than not, you will dig your hole twice as deep just to recover some losses. Accept the losses, move forward to the next trade, keep focus, see what exactly happening in the stock market, and focus on the technical analysis. See the price action carefully before taking any trade. Don't do the same mistake that I did. You can take me as an example, and hope you can learn something from it, and I hope it will help you to improve some decision making before taking any trades. So that's it for this video, guys. You have to, it's kind of like difficult for me to do this video, but you have to do. If I'm sharing my gains, then I have to share my losses as well. It's process of being transparent and show you the real world of trading and how difficult it is, and how challenging it could be. On that note, I wish all of you, whatever trades you are going to take in upcoming days, I hope that you all will make some money, be profitable, and not do the same mistake that I did in last week. So that's it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching. If you like, hit the like button, give me a thumbs up. At least that will cheer me up and give me some positive vibes before moving on to the next trades. Okay. See you in next trade recap. Bye.